Yeah, so as we are obviously going ahead and we're almost in October end now. So initially, of course, there was a bit of real October heat, but after that, there is a bit of, you can say, a nip in the air, as Mr. Saleh was saying. And of course, up north, it must be really starting to get a bit colder. There are various seasons throughout, and but change in seasons obviously affect uh, the older adults to a greater extent, and that's what I would want to focus on today. So first of all, I would just want to talk about certain basic tips which you should have when the season changes. Now this we are talking more about, you can say, more into some from a summer to a more a drop in temperature. So things you should do is, one is, of course, you should always exercise. I think this includes your indoor shores. Keep yourself, their indoor workouts as well. Keep yourself fit as far as exercise is concerned. Do indoor exercises for improving your strength, flexibility. Walking is good, but of course, sometimes the weather might not permit it because it might be too cold or you might be feeling cold. So you just need to walk around the house maybe. And if you have, of course, a lot of people have done this during COVID as well, is uh, if you have a space beneath your building. And of course, people have been very smart to actually plan it out. Like certain people go in certain times. So of course, there is not a lot of people walking at the same time. Or of course, you can use the chat, which obviously a lot of people have sort of used as well. The rooftop, which is there in a lot of buildings. But yeah, again, time yourself, I would say, because it shouldn't be in peak afternoon or it shouldn't be at a time when it is very cold. Another thing is, do not start just exercises which are online directly, or try to get in touch with whoever, whether it's your geriatrician, whether it's your physiotherapist, and then trying to get into an exercise regimen rather than just going into a regimen which might harm you if you're not sure about it. Then secondly, it's very important that you have to eat seasonally also. For example, sometimes certain fruits will not be fresh as the winter approaches. So try to get fruits which are available during that time. For example, apple should be there, carrot should be there. Then some fruits which are actually some vegetables which are not entirely eaten by everybody, but are pretty healthy, include sweet potato. Actually, sweet potato has got fiber, it has got vitamin A, vitamin C, and also minerals. So that is quite good. Another thing is, there is a tendency that you might be at home. Obviously, you might be moving, but when you're home, not going out during slightly change in temperature, you might have the tendency of snacking as well. So try not to do that. Try to stick to your meals. Very important is, even if the weather is not hot and the weather is cold, that doesn't mean you don't stop drinking water. योर फ्लूइड इनटेक, जो पानी की मात्रा है वो उतनी ही होनी चाहिए, एटलीस्ट एक से 1.5 लीटर होनी चाहिए. एंड ऑफ कोर्स डिपेंडिंग अपॉन if there is any particular disease that you have, try to take fresh fruits and vegetables rather than juices. I always prefer fresh fruits and vegetables because juices might be good for the liquid intake, but they tend to sort of, you can say, in a way, वो जो फ्रूट का एक्चुअल न्यूट्रिएंट वैल्यू है वो कम हो जाता है. देन you should also try to get some changes maybe in your use of, you can say, condiments as well. जो spices हैं वो अच्छे रहते हैं, of course, depending upon whether you can take them or not. Yes, we all know about, I mean, turmeric. Let's be very frank, turmeric is something which has always been emphasized even from young. So that is helpful. Then it is also said that cinnamon is also good. Now there is no वेदर या कोई भी सीजन नहीं होता है जिसमें आपको विटामिन डी नहीं लेना चाहिए. यू शुड बी, योर विटामिन डी लेवल शुड ऑलवेज बी मेंटेन. And in winters, of course, comparatively the sunlight will be lesser also. So try to take it through food sources. For example, orange juice with vitamin D is also there. Continue your vitamin D supplements. Yes, if you're a non-vegetarian, then fishes has. Some things which we are very worried about during winter months in general is whenever there is a break and you are trying to walk out. So it's quite damp a lot of times. It can be damp because of the season. And if you're already having problems है आपके balance के साथ, reflexes, vision के साथ, तो थोड़ा fall का risk बढ़ जाता है. So make sure कि आप अपने fall के risk को कम करें. And how do you do that? One is, of course, make you have had your last eye exam, the yearly exam which you should have done, so that we know what your vision is or where your vision is. Then medications, of course, are very important. If there are any medications which can cause side effects, which can lead to obviously a worsening in your balance, then always check home for tripping hazards. I mean, this is something which should be done throughout the year. It's not only done when the season changes, but specifically, especially electrical cords or uneven floors. And if needed, if you need the assistive device, please do use it. Do not shun away from it. The lighting can be a bit of problematic when the season change happens. For example, in peak winters, the days can sometimes get shorter and darkness might be more. So it affects a lot of older adults because there is something known as sundowning as well. So the earlier the darkness comes, older adults with problem with vision, maybe with even memory problems can be more affected. Then another thing is don't take unnecessary risks. If you don't have to go out, don't go. Try to make sure that there is adequate heating. Do not think that just because the entire of Bombay doesn't feel cold that you should not take care of yourself. Yes, maybe Bombay doesn't have that much of a peak winter as compared to North. But if you are feeling cold, then please take care of yourself. Use your blankets. आपको अगर sweaters भी पहनने हैं, पहनिए, because it is your body and not what 100 people in the population think that it is not cold. So you have to take care of yourself and not think about others. Another thing is try to keep warm, whether it is by having how many amount of layers of clothing. If you want, you use it, especially your head, your ears. And if you're seeing that there is too windier days, try to not go out. Then another thing which really sort of picks up during this change of season is the flu. So yearly, please make sure that you get your influenza vaccine, purely because every year there is a new strain. So the flu that is very commonly spread. So to keep yourself safe, vaccinate yourself. Of course, and now with seasonal change, we always have a disclaimer, or you can say a caution about COVID-19 also. So because viruses in general, I would not even say COVID-19, viruses in general, जब change होता है season, so they are always a bit able to be a bit more, you can say, strong. Never forget, one of the most important things is that your heart, your conditions. अगर आपको दिल का problem है, if you have a heart disease, if you have diabetes, if you have hypertension, if you have cholesterol, if you have a history of stroke, if you have dementia, if you have especially asthma is obviously, there is a strong chance that with change in condition, there can be a change in season, there can be a worsening of it. So take all your precautions for the same. Take all your medications on time. Try to make your health very important and be in touch with your doctor. Get your health checkup done maybe before winter or whenever you have done it, so that you are safe as far as your health is concerned. Now, it is very important to stay positive. You have to get, because staying positive is very important to your emotional mental health. So try to be engaged. जो भी hobbies है आप करते रहिए. Sometimes you might not be able to go out when the season changes and it can be too cold. So try to maybe listen to music, read a book, chat with people. Now, of course, more and more people are net savvy and technology savvy. So try to keep yourself busy. In general, when a season also changes, no, sometimes things can get very, very dull. I mean, it can be really dark, it can be really chilly. So there is also something known as a seasonal affective disorder. Just when season change hota hai, especially from summer to maybe autumn to winter, then there can be a bit of depression because everything seems very slow. So make sure that that doesn't happen, and make sure that you are busy rather than being worried about a lot of things. One of the most important things again is, even in meals, try to choose hot, nourishing meals, drink warm beverages, basically to keep your temperature up. Now, in general, of course, in Bombay and Delhi, it might not be a problem, but especially up north in the hilly areas is where the issue happens, where you can be cut off if there is a lot of snowfall. So in general, also, you should obviously keep stock of your medications and also food supplies in case. It's not going to happen in Bombay for sure. If you turn into an ice age, it's highly unlikely. Uh, Make sure that your home is always well lit. Uh, Another important thing is, if you're going out also, please inform somebody, for example, whoever your relative is, and be in touch with them. Uh, Everybody uses a cell phone, so try to charge your cell phone and keep, because power cuts are something which cannot be managed as well, and they tend to increase. Then make sure that you have flashlights. I mean, these are all very small things, but you need to, because if there are power cuts, then there can be a bit of issue in the same. So be prepared. Another thing which is sort of, I will just take a few minutes to discuss, that is, even climate change is actually having a lot of issues as far as older adults are concerned, and it affects older adults to a great extent. So we have to understand the threats of climate change as well, because suddenly now it's happening, there can be extreme heat. Now, extreme heat can be problematic for people, especially with heart problems, diabetes, with other lung diseases can be an issue. The air quality is going on down because of climate change. So changing weather patterns, there could be too much of pollution, dust. So that causes a problem for asthmatics, lung diseases, chances of heart disease increase. Then there has been a very extreme events. If you really see, this year is sort of shown us that there have been real extreme events. Like, it's been too hot, there have been wildfires, there have been sudden rains which are out of turn. So that can be very important, because people with disabilities, chronic medical conditions can have a problem. Then location matters a lot, whether you are in the urban area, you're in rural area, you're in coastal areas, there could be storms. Then a lot of illnesses can be caused by contaminated water. So what I'm trying to say is, the balance sort of is going a bit haywire as far as environment is concerned. So that affects seniors or older adults to a great extent. So we have to be vigilant and make sure that we take care of ourselves. Now, the big buzzword, or जो सबसे ज़्यादा बात हो रही है इस time में, that is about immunity. How should you build your immunity? So you need to have adequate sleep, have a good diet, good lifestyle, keep yourself stress free, take your medications on time, supplements, for example, vitamin D, vitamin B12, all these things you should continue to take, but try to take fresh fruits and vegetables. Immunizations, जो टीकाकरण, जो vaccination, which is became so prominent and so important just because COVID-19 came in. It was always important. So you should be taking your pneumonia vaccines, which gives you 5 to 10 years, usually a 10 years sort of 5 to 10 years sort of protection against pneumonia. Then influenza vaccines are something which you should take yearly. And I'm very sure may or may not, it's not really official, you might need COVID-19 booster shots also, maybe early. It is not something which has come in public domain yet, but you might need to take it. Make sure that you keep your life stress free, because that is also very important for your immunity. So try to build all these things, and that's how you will be able to battle overall seasonal change. Uh, Ultimately, it is very important that you keep your health at the head. If your health is best, then you will be able to sort of tackle seasonal change in a very good way. So of course, this in short was trying to give you some tips and try to tell you that you might be vulnerable, but you can do these things to obviously have a better sort of time as far as health is concerned in seasonal change. So thanks a lot for your patient hearing. If you have any questions and comments, you're more than welcome to ask. Thank you.
Hi, before I open it up for questions, again, I'd like to remind everybody that please unmute yourself and then ask your questions. This entire session will be recorded and will be put online onto our website by end of day. So without, I'm allowing questions. Anybody has any questions, please unmute yourself, ask your question, and then mute yourself.
Excuse me, doctor.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
The persons who are suffering from COPD, is it advisable for them to go in the morning walk in winter season?
Sir, it is basically directly related to how bad your COPD is, because if you're obviously on oxygen, then it becomes difficult, but it is maintained and you are under control, then taking your time, of course, is very important. Choosing your time. In general, unfortunately, the pollution levels and smog is quite high these days. So you need to choose your time and try to go. If the severity of your COPD is a lot, wherein exposure to even a little bit of air, I mean, a little bit of bad air can trigger it, then it is a problem. However, you can take precautions, obviously, like maybe you always take your, if you're on a nebulization or inhaler before you go, keep a rescue inhaler always. By rescue, I mean keep one in your hand, which is, of course, will be a short acting one. Usually it's Asthalin, so that you are able to, if at all you have a bit of breathlessness, you are able to sort of take the puff. Another important thing is, please, if you go for a walk also, make sure that you do not go into a very high intensity walk. Walk slowly initially and then gradually increase. So yes, you will have to choose your time and try to go, but in general, unfortunately, I think the pollution levels are higher everywhere.
Yes, doctor, but if the sun comes out,
Yeah.
you have a strong rays, I think in that time you can go, isn't it?
Yeah, it see, sun and pollution unfortunately doesn't have anything. I mean, even if the sun is there, pollution can still be there. But yeah, for in general, if it is a bit more sunnier as compared to a bit more chilly, obviously it will be more preferable.
Yeah. Thank you, doctor.
Yeah.
Any other questions? If you have any questions, please unmute yourself. Maybe also switch on your video so the doctor can see you. Any other questions? Doctor, let me ask you a question. What about things like things to immunity, which are our old, like Chyawanprash, like, the supplements, the natural supplements. Should we have that during winter?
See, having these supplements, of course, as I told you, it's all in the word itself. It is a supplement, so it is only going to add on. I mean, it might not cause too much of harm, but at the same time, if you're basically, it should be through diet, it should be through exercise, and it should be through your lifestyle, which you should, I mean, take care of your health. These supplements can play a role, of course. Until unless they are not harming you, it shouldn't be much of a problem. And in general, yes, things like Chyawanprash and all do not really, to a great extent, harm. Things that you already know about, have knowledge about, it's easier to sort of take, but do not just take things without obviously asking, because a lot of supplements, especially the Ayurvedic ones, taken from people who might not really be a known practitioners, might be an issue. So just try to cross check and then only try to add them into your daily supplements.
Thank you. Any other questions?
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Harsh. Can you just put on a video? It's easier for us to see you.
Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, yes. I'm having a
We can't hear you, Mr. Harsha.
some complaint with my video. I pneumonia vaccine. So could you necessary for senior citizens to have it, or like about the pneumonia vaccine?
I think we lost you in various times during that time. What were you saying?
No, no, about the pneumonia vaccine, doctor. You were telling something about the pneumonia vaccine.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, we have had separate videos obviously on vaccination as well. Yeah, pneumonia vaccine is important. I mean, there are two types, of course. One is it's known as the pneumococcal vaccine. So that usually is given to older adults purely because it helps in decreasing. One is the intensity of the pneumonia. I won't say the pneumonia won't happen at all. No, the chances of survival after pneumonia and the body to battle pneumonia will be better. So it's known as Pneumovac. So that is something which is easily available, and it should be taken. Once given, it usually lasts an older adult at least for 10 years. So that is something which should be given.
Okay. Thank you, doctor. Thank you. Thank you.
Any other questions for people, for the doctor right now? Are there any questions? So doctor, I think there are no questions. Thank you very much again for what you do for us. This has been very, very helpful. We should see you again next week. And until then,
One question, doctor. One question. Yes, senior citizen, should they use air condition at night, whole night? Morning when it is hot, I put on the air condition. पर रात को use करना advisable है कि नहीं? Because पाँव ठंडे हो जाते हैं, ठंड लगती है. I take a quilt, but it should be avoided or no? It's okay.
I think, ma'am, it's okay unless you obviously keep yourself well covered. If you keep yourself well covered, especially exposed parts like the legs, the face, which can obviously make a change to your body temperature, then it should be fine. But a lot of time,
कफ हो जाती है, like छाती में कफ हो जाती है.
Yeah, so I mean, there is another way, of course, is to most of the air conditioners usually now have a timer. So थोड़े time लगा के फिर on off भी कर सकते हैं. So I think that would be a better way of doing it. Or to cover yourself up is yes, that is better. And in the days, of course, if it is very, very hot, then you should be putting it for some time, because extremes of temperature, very hot, very cold, is also not good.
Okay. Yes, doctor. Thank you. Very informative talk.
Thank you very much, doctor. We shall now see you again next week. I think doctor has run out of time. Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you, doctor, for your guidance.